In this tutorial we will learn how to enable monitor mode for your external network adapter. Open the terminal. List down the wireless network interfaces connected to this device. We don't see any wireless interfaces, since we have not connected any external wireless adapter. Physically connect your external wireless adapter to your machine. Select Connect to Linux to link the wireless adapter with your Linux VM. You should now see LAN 0 representing your external wireless adapter in Managed mode. To change it to Monitor mode, begin by disabling the wireless adapter. Change the mode of the wireless adapter to Monitor. Re-enable the wireless adapter. You'll notice that the wireless adapter's mode is now set to Monitor. In this mode, you can use the network for monitoring networks within range, capturing packets for analysis, and performing various network tasks for legitimate purposes, such as network troubleshooting and security assessments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.